it doesn't.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to install the Pubg Lite latest version. The links are provided in the description and you should download the OBB file and the APK file from it, like this. Okay, after downloading it, go to downloads in the file manager and install this Pubg Mobile Lite application that I have given you as a APK link in this description. After it is installed, click done. Okay, then go to the file manager of your device. After going to file manager, click downloads. Because I am installed, it is it's downloaded in the Chrome, and you want to copy that OBB file which is of 217 MB and go to internal storage, go to Android, then click OBB, and you want to create a new file called com.tencent.iglite. Okay, paste the copied OBB to that folder. Not one point that you want to uninstall the previous version of that Pubg Mobile before installing this new version. Don't forget to do that. Okay, it has been moved. You want to open the new Pubg Mobile application. Before that, you want to enable that DNS changer which is available in the Play Store, and you can download it. And when you open it, they will ask that is which server you want to load. You want to select that custom DNS or enter manually. You want to type the code I have given there and press start. It is because it is only available in the Philippines, not available in India and many other countries. Okay, you want to open the Pubg Mobile official application that I have given you in the link, and you have installed it and open it. This is the interface you can see. Wait till it starts. Okay, it's starting and it's checking for update and it's verifying your update that you have installed. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, you want to update, the update is complete and you want to restart the game. Go back to all apps and start the Pubg Mobile again. It is because to save the changes you have downloaded it. When you are starting Pubg Mobile Lite, it will show an interface like this and it will get to the application. It's starting. Wait till it starts. Yes, it's loading. Click Google Play or Facebook account for starting. I am using Google Play because I have linked one of the account to the Facebook account. So click agree and it will ask you for the permission to connect to Google Play Games. Click the account you want to select with. Okay, it has been selected. It's asking one more permission and you want to allow it. It's connecting and it's loading. The Google account that has been selected is a random account, and you can select any Google account for your choice. This account I have chosen is not connected to my YouTube account. It is another account. I have one, two or more accounts such as Abistech and etc. Okay, it's restarting now. The one problem is that that your progress has been deleted because the OBB has been changed. Okay, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.